Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix MS Gaming Overlay. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go to search and look for registry editor. Then what you need to do here, once registry editor is open, you need to expand a current users. Then you need to look for software, expand this option. Then you need to look for Microsoft. Microsoft, expand this option. Then you need to look for Windows and expand this option. Windows, expand this option. Then look for current version, expand this option. Then you need to look for game DVR. So look for game DVR. Should be here, game DVR. Double click on it, and then first option should be app capture enabled. So what you need to do here is to right click on it or double click on it, and then change value data from 1 to 0 and press OK here. If you do not see the app capture enabled, you just need to press on the blank space, right click on it, new 32-bit, and then you just need to write app capture enable. So app capture enabled, right? And then I will not be able to do so, but nevertheless, you just need to then click on it and then select value data to 0. And that's basically what we need to do here. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.